Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to the Data Education Project video tutorial series for the Firebase. And in this session number 4, we are going to learn how to send a notification using the Firebase console. So let's start our program and create a new project. Start a new Android Studio project. I'm using push notification example, and just click next and select the empty activity. Just click on finish and wait for the Gradle building. Okay, when Gradle was built, then you will go to the tools and click on the Firebase, and here you will use the cloud messaging, and after that click setup cloud messaging. First of all, you need to connect app to your Firebase. When you click on it, it will start connecting dialog and downloading the files from the Firebase. Okay, we have push notification example, country, region, connect to the Firebase. It will start downloading the JSON file, and when this was completed, we will go to the next phase. Okay, we have completed this section, connect to your Firebase. Then this message okay connected was appear. It means that JSON file was downloaded into your project. If you want to check it, then go to the project, then select it, and then you will see that Google services.json was added in to your project. After that, you will need to click on the add FCM to your app and then accept changes. It will automatically download the files for you. If you want to check it, then go to the Gradle scripts, click on the build.gradle, then you can see that this class path was added here. And similarly, when you click on the build.gradle, you can see that this file was here. Okay, we have completed this add FCM to your app, and after that we need to add the third step. For this thing, we are going to create you can access tokens value by creating a new class with extend Firebase instance ID service. For this thing, we are going to create a new class here. Right click on it, create new, and here is the Java class. Okay, now we will name this Firebase instance. Okay, my Firebase instance ID. Okay, now click OK. Then we will extend, as we know that extends mean in inheritance, extends this Java class to the Firebase instance ID service. Okay, after this you will need to add a new method that was named on token refresh. When you click on it, then it will automatically add it here, and now we will add a string. For example, string reference refreshed token. Either you will need to copy this thing, so never mind, I am just copy this thing and place it here. Okay, just to save the time here. Firebase instance ID, alt enter, it will add instance here, and log.id, alt enter, import class. It will import the class for the log. This log is used basically used to you can say that to see the log cat file. So here we are going to insert a variable private static final string, and the name of the file that registered is a constant registered token, since it's a token, and register token value, whatever. Now we will use this log id to show the values of this re recent tokens and refresh tokens. Just alt enter. Refresh token or register token, it's up to you. Okay, now we need to add, the next step is to add the services in the manifest file. For this thing, I just check it out. If you want to send message to this application, I just need to delete this one. Okay. Now we will open the manifest file, and for this thing just click on the manifest file, and here after the activity you need to add this service here. Okay, and copy it and place it. Okay, now this will be the name of your file here, and Android name, and then you can check it out. Okay, similarly we will add another service Android name. Okay, but first of all we need to add another Java class. So after that, if you are creating on token fresh, you need to add another class on message received, and if you wish to send the messages and then messages received, Firebase service. Okay, we will create another class here, new, and here is the Java class, base message services. Okay, we will extend this class to the Firebase message services, messaging service, and in this messaging service we will implement the on message received method. Okay, so here is the method on message received. You can see that this is the on message received method, and it will be the implementing the remote messages, and the remote information is here. Now we will need to implement a notification example for our program, and I think we don't need it, but we need this service is here. Now copy this service, Control C, and go to your Android manifest and paste this service here. Since the name of our application is changed, so I'm just changing it, and Firebase message services. Okay, now almost we are done to implement all the files. Now close this and add the notification example here. In the new version, it was very easy to understand all those files which are provided by here. Now just go to the Firebase message services, and now we are creating a notification for that. For this thing I'm using an intent, and here is the intent. You can say new intents is equal to new intent, and you will give this main activity dot class here. Okay, this means that when we open the notification here, then it will show us the result. It will go to the new intents dot set flags, and in this we will set the intent dot flag activity clear top. We will set this uh, tag to the intent, and after that we are creating the pending intent pending intent, and p intent is equal to pending intent dot get activity, pending intent dot get activity, and here is the activity. This, the next one is the request code, which is 0. The next one is the intent, new intents, and next one is p intent, intent, p intent, p intent dot flag. Okay, I think it will be pending intent dot flag one shot. Okay, now after that we will use the notification compact, display the display the notification compact, notification component dot builder. I think we are missing some files here, or the spelling mistake. Notification, this one, compare dot builder, and I will name this n builder is equal to new notification compact dot builder, and provide the context it here, this one. Okay, now and we will apply the things for the n builder dot set content title, and here is the content title dot soft Firebase message, and the next one is n builder dot set content text, and in this text we will get the recent message from the remote message. This will be the remote message from which will be created by the Firebase. Then remote message dot get notification dot get body. The next one is n builder dot set auto cancel. It means it will be true. Okay, next thing is n builder dot set small icon, and we will use r dot mimap dot ic launcher, which is a default icon for our application. The next one is n builder dot set content intent, and we will place the p intent here, which will be the pending intent we are created here. Now we create the notification manager, work on notification manager, and notification manager and manager, you can say, is equal to, we will pass it to the notification manager, and here we will provide get system service, and in this get system service we will provide context get system services. Okay, we will place context notification here, context notification, context dot notification service here. Okay, now in the last one, and manager dot notify, and we will place some arguments for the integer id 0, and then notify builder and builder dot build. Okay guys, we are completed a notification example. If you are not familiar with the notification code, then you can watch our simple tutorial for the Android, and you can find it that this notification is there. So we are done, and now we will run this application, and here we will run this application on the emulator. Now we will go to the Fireworks, sorry, Firebase. It's a Firebase, not Fireworks. Firebase.google.com, and I think this is another Firebase. We are connected with this Firebase. Okay. Here is console dot firebase dot google.com. We are opening the console for the firebase.google.com. As we will discuss this thing in the last lecture, so you can, if you are not aware about that, then kindly watch the previous one. You can see that this one, the push notification example, is here. So we will click on it. This is the Android base, and this thing was automatically created for us. Now we will go to the analytics here, and here is the group, and if you, okay, we are going to work on the notifications, and here is the notifications. Okay, we will open the emulator, and you can watch it on the logcat, that what is the registration key. Okay, wait for a few seconds, but you can see that here you will see this page, and here you can send your first message for this thing. Just click on it, enter message. I am adding the message here. Meanwhile, our emulator is start coding. Hello dear Sir Saflada. Okay, loading state, our emulator is working. Hello dear Saflada, this is very easy to understand Firebase example. Okay, this will be the label, message from your friend, whatever. Okay, delivery date, you can send the delivery date, but we are selecting it now, and after that you will select on the single device. At this point we need this FCM registration token, and we will wait for this. Our emulator will run, then you can see this registration token here. Just wait for it. Okay, you can see that our application was run successfully and this message was shown here, but still our Gradle is on working and we need the registration token, and for this thing we shall wait for it. Okay, our program is running.